Hello, everyone. For today's video, I thought I would walk you guys through what a day in my life has been looking like recently. So, in the mornings, I always start off with some form of caffeine. For this particular morning, I'm having some green tea. And actually, as I was making my green tea, the doorbell rang and I realized that my Pro Flowers delivery had came in. So, I wanted to say a huge thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. I cannot wait to give these birthday bouquets to my friends for their birthdays. If you guys are looking for like an amazing floral arrangement and gift ideas, Pro Flowers is literally my go-to. All of their bouquets are like premium. They're sent right to your door and the flowers are always super fresh. They even offer same-day florist delivered flowers. If you're looking for a great birthday surprise, definitely check out Pro Flowers. They have such an awesome selection. Now, the particular bouquet that I'm showing you guys here is Alluring Elegance, and I literally fell so in love with this bouquet. Another thing that really stood out to me about their particular bouquets and how they are delivered is the vase. We know that I love a good home decor moment, and the vases are so beautiful. You can definitely keep them. So, you're giving these beautiful bouquets of flowers as gifts, and they're also coming in such a pretty vase that the person you're gifting it to can keep. And that is another thing that I love. This one that I'm showing here is the Beyond Blue bouquet. And again, seriously, look at that big flower there. Like, so just like fresh and beautiful. I loved the pop of blue in this particular bouquet. That's what drew me to it. But again, it comes in that same beautiful vase that is just a great little birthday token also that you can keep once the flowers are done. So I hope you guys enjoyed looking at those beautiful flowers, and you can use the promo code Nastazsa, or you can click the link in the description box to save 15% off at Pro Flowers. And now moving back to what I had for breakfast, I actually tried out a local place for the first time. And let me just say, this is probably one of the best bagel sandwiches I have had in a really long time. So I just paired this with my green tea. I'm really trying to not have a lot of sweets in the morning because that was definitely one of my bad habits. I was making a really sugary coffee as well as having like a sugary breakfast, which definitely isn't good for you. So I'm trying to make minor changes. And then after breakfast, I headed over to one of the room makeovers that I'm working on right now. This one in particular is for one of my dad's really good friends, and she's just a really nice family friend that we have. I'm super excited to be working on this makeover with her. So, for today in particular, I needed to go over and make the selection with her for what floors we were choosing, and I think we have a winner. The before and after of this is going to be crazy. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. But after I went over there, and did that work, I went and looked at a few different places. One thing that I didn't share with you guys and I haven't shared is basically where I'm living. It has gotten really loud. Let's just say that. I'm not going to go into detail about what's happening, but it's gotten too loud to the point where I can't really film and I'm not really able to sleep that much because it's just loud at all hours of the day and night. So I am going to have to move, but I'm looking at it from a positive aspect. I'll have fresh new makeovers for you guys. I'm trying not to think negative about it at all. So this is the first place that I toured, and to be quite honest, it's okay. I think it's really nice. There were a few issues with it, one being the wall color. It's very yellow undertoned, and that's not the best to film in, and they actually don't allow you to change the wall color. If you do, it's like a few $1,000s of a penalty when you move out. So once I found that out, this one in particular was just not going to work out for me. So then I went over to the next one, and this one has like been one of my favorites for a while. I've always wanted to go ahead and look at these, and they're just so nice. They're very much my style. They have a few different options also, as you can see, for different like colored kitchen cabinets and stuff, which I thought was cool. But I didn't really like the fact that this one was right off of the pool. Again, thinking noise-wise, it's obviously going to be one of the noisier options, but I do like the fact that it has a lot of light and everything. So I don't think either of these places are really going to 100% work for me, but I am just going to keep this second one here as a maybe option. If it's pretty much all that I can find, and then we might end up here. But I'm not quite sure at the moment. I just kind of wanted to share those with you guys because the second one, in my opinion, is very beautiful, very much my style. Again, I just wish they had better locations. And then after that, I had my lunch, which has recently turned into basically an acai bowl every single day, again from another local place. I have just been loving eating these. They're just really refreshing and very like light in terms of eating. I don't like to eat anything heavy. And then after that, I went and picked up the plants that we need for the room makeover, as well as I just went and browsed a few furniture places to see and keep my options open. And that is pretty much everything that I did for the day. So I just kind of wanted to share that fun little day in my life with you guys. And again, a huge thank you to Pro Flowers for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.